Hello guys, welcome to the Python lecture number 8. So let me just quickly open my repo. Yeah, we were at lambda function, right? So we left at the lambda function in previous lecture. In this lecture we will start from the lambda function with the day 13. So say what's the lambda function? Lambda function is a small anonymous function without a name. It can take any numbers of argument but only have one expression. Function is similar to anonymous function in JavaScript. We need it when we want to write an anonymous function inside another function. Creating a lambda function. Let's see how can we create such a lambda function if it's anonymous. To create a lambda function, we use lambda keyword followed by a parameters followed by the expression. See the syntax and the example below. Lambda function does not use return or but it explicitly returns the expression. Right, like here's the syntax. X equals to lambda parameter 1, parameter 2, parameter 3. Then colon, then parameter 1, 2, 3. First we define what are the parameters, then after the colon we will decide what happens to them. Print arg1, arg2, arg3. Alright, parameter 1, parameter 2, parameter 3. Okay, x is the variable. Example, define add two numbers. This is the journal syntax which we will be followed. Alright, add two numbers ab, return a plus b. Alright, print ab2, 2, 3. It will, let's change the function to a lambda function. Add two numbers equals to lambda a comma b, separated by the operators and the variables by a colon. So we now, if we do this, print add two numbers and colon 2 comma 3, it will give us the same result. Self-invoking lambda function. What's self-invoking lambda function? Lambda a comma b, lambda self-invoking. Let's see what's a self-invoking. Open the VS Code as usual and write the code here. What is this? Why Visual Code would like to access data from other key banana separates make it easier to manage. Don't know. Keeping app data separates. Let me just quickly do its solution. uh every time I open my VS Code, this shows up. What should showed up, and every time I give access to it, but despite to it despite of that, it comes again when whenever I open the VS Code. What is the solution for that? Okay, भैया allow कर लेते. This section known measures some version VS Code dialog which like it's a part of app data protection. If the key appearing every time is unnecessary, twice fix mode like open terminal and then reopen reset the permission, then quit. Okay, let me just terminal, and I don't know where the shit was that. Successfully reset all of the stages, and now I will quit the VS Code. Okay, now if I open the VS Code, will it? Yeah, alright, is not taking any Visual Studio would like to access Apple Music. Okay, okay, okay. Don't show again. What? What, man? It is now asking for the permission for all world like music, download, desktop. Is it not? Okay, no problem. So what we were doing, what we are doing, we were doing self calling lambda. Okay, so define lambda a comma b, or we are gonna what we are gonna do is we are gonna we are gonna calculate sum of these two number. Okay, a plus b. Now in the next bracket pass the arguments, and just here what is the import. I don't know what the fuck is lambda. What, man? What is not closed? It is closed, man. What am I saying? A lamb. Okay, lambda लिखा मैंने. Lambda. Now it is correct. Now I have saved. Where's my terminal? Mm, Python import. Yeah. I, 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 I. Python import dot py, and if I why is it not going? And needs to encapsulate it in print to see the result in console. Okay, sorry for that. My oh sorry, I was so dumb to do that. Print. Now it will give us, yes, 5. I was so dumb to do that. So this is called self-calling. Okay, we are 8 minutes into the lecture. So let's go. We have done a self-invoking lambda function. Now what is this? Square equals to lambda x. Yeah, just print square 3 and 9 cube lambda x means I don't know that why people need. Okay, if we write cube equals to x multiply 3, how it kind of taking our input. All right, multiple variables, like if you wanna take multiple variables, we already do, by the way, multiple variables, but for the sake, if you wanna take multiple variables, lambda abc, we can just take it like a comma what is that, bro? Like a comma b comma c, and here a plus b, and I add c, and here I add 3, and now if I do that, run that, it's 29. Like 3, I don't know what is this, but now 29, it's obviously 29. B to the power c means 309, 29 plus 1. So okay, that's fine. Lambda function inside another function, def power x, return lambda n x to the power n, and what the fuck is n? Cube equals to power 2 3. Okay, function power Now need two argument to run in separate round brackets. Thank you. 2 power of 5 equals to power to 5. Filter only negative and 0 in the list using the list comprehension. What was that list comprehension? I forgot. Flatten the following list or list to a one dimensional list. What the fuck is that? I forgot already. Using list comprehension, create the following list of tuple. I forgot what was that. Change the following list to list dictionaries. I forget all this. So we are into the day 15. What is this? LinkedIn. Oh, this is the name. Asa Behen Bene Bene Yedai, full stack developer. Oh my god. It's nice. Featured. I wish an app like this is when I was learning English. Okay, whatever this is, I can't do anything now. Oh, I got 5 networks. Let's see. Accepted your Anamika accepted your invitation. Man, I have to shortlist all the peoples, man. Assistant new job opportunities.
We're releasing this song.
Interesting. So we are gonna go back. So we are gonna study higher order function as a parameter, function as the return value. Just see what is written here. A function can take one or more function as parameter. Parameters. Function can be returned as a result of another function. A function can be modified. A function can be assigned to a variable. In this section, we will cover is there anyone on class skill? Oh, class skill, what is that? All spray skill. Okay, 2000. What is this? We wear comes shielder fire grounds project missile tactical destroy platform that capitulates. What is this? Type logo accession after 90 seconds in a match. High threat enemies are marked on the map. Access to weapons are given for automating team except in insertion. Reactive score. What is this? Call in and support is marked with air to air. Deploy a drone that cannot search and revive your teammates. Emergency call theater supply your location. Remote control with emotion. I don't know where's that. Have survival evaluation. Passive skill, hag enemy will upgrade enemy from the return trip. through the combination to all launcher all burning damages received. How many advance you do you learn minute? A call as long as you're under K9 unit. Oh my god. Teleport pair to a recent previous position, reduce the impact of negative status. Launcher. Agate system. Shadow blade. Trap mask. Play the high voltage and reduce. Okay. What should I do? And time to load out to. Yeah, I can do that. In functional are created attributes. This is better. Slums is better. Slums are always better. A function can take one. Okay, a function can be modified. A function can be assigned to a variable. A function can be assigned to a variable, I guess. Okay, so this is match of capturing. So let's see what should I capture. Okay, I'll capture, and it's 100% capture. Now we are going towards the C point, and let's see. Oh my god, they killed us. Oh, what's that? Damn, guys, what are you doing? I guess I have to go. They are nuts, man. They are nuts. They can't do anything. Now I'm gonna capture. I have to find something better. Rus. Okay, I'll take Rus. Okay, now. Oh, nice. It's an Aisha, man. It's a nice man. बस भैया से भी कैप्चर कर लिया यार. मजा आ रहा है. Why am I so slow? And handling function as a parameter. So a function can be assigned to a variable. Okay. Handling function as a parameter. Returning function as return value from another function. What's that, man? Using Python closure and decorator. Oh my god. Function as a parameter. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, what a polish. Define some numbers, some define some numbers, num a function can take one or more function as parameter. A function can be returned as a result of another function. So here we are saying that what is this, man? Mobility. Oh, bison. Why am I getting XP of knife? So if some number nums return some num A sad function abusing the built-in sum function. Huh? Grip. Where's the grip? Uh, Wheel agent forward. No. Optical. I don't want that. Firm grip. I want firm grip. Rear grip. Firm grip. -8 was okay. Barrel perk. FMG blood penetration. I can't grip right now. That 37. Then agile stock. What's agile stock? Function as written value. Where's the stock? Grip. And def some numbers. Num. Oh, I had a one more coin. What was that? Get more. Send an assistant in the lobby by. What's that? How do I send? very strong box. Okay. Uh, let's see what I get. It's a parachute. Purchase. No, I can't do that. Purchase fire, purchase blue button pass. Okay, I guess no, I can do that. Railroad. Okay, what's checking out consume account redraw account. Lucky box. Where is the lucky box? Purchase new soldier outfit. Consume 1000 CP. CP 30 point. I don't have that now. What will I get? Oh, nice. What's that? Land? Damn. Basically, I have 10, so I'll draw everything out. And here, diff some numbers. How many time did I spend? Oh my god, it's 34. Okay, nice. Okay. Purchase, consume 300 CP. I don't have that. Consume coupon. Let's go. What is this? No, I don't have that. So let's go. Did we earn something? Consume dope. Coupon. I don't have anything now. Store. Okay, there's no other option. Depth some numbers. Okay, 50. So I see. Okay, that was not nice yet. process. How many days? Today's is it's not a big deal. So here there's some numbers. What is this? A monkey? There's some numbers written. Stand. Yeah, standoff is right. Nice. Def high order function and f list when function as a parameter. Okay. Result equals to higher order function some number 1 2 3. I want you to read this function as a written value number. He was in the house. Def square x return x exponential 2. cube and x written x to the power dq. I didn't understand what's a normal function. Yeah, a sad function abusing the built-in function. What is that? Return some nums. Some का num. Okay, they were going to see. Here we seen the code which was already given. I can't understand what is this def higher order function f list. Alright, hours into time. It's 46 minutes, alright. Def square x return. I understand this absolute x if x is greater than or equals to. I understand this part. A higher order function returning a function. What does that mean? I can't understand that. guys, I forgot that my recording was on. Please pardon me that interruption. Mind, where were we? We were here, huh? Define some numbers, normal function, a sad function. I'm using built-in function. Higher order function of list function as parameter summation list. Return summation is the higher. I don't understand this, so I'll just copy paste it here and ask ChatGPT to explain this to me. I can't understand, man. I can't understand. This introduction, one of the most important concept of Python. A function are first class objects. That means you can pass a function as an argument to another function, just like you pass a number or a list. The code defines normal function returns some nums. What does this function do? It takes one parameter nums. It take suppose nums equals to a, then some okay, return sum of nums equals to a. So Python's some numbers return a. Next function def higher order function. This function has two parameters, f and list. Notice something unusual. F is not a number, it is a function. Suppose we call some numbers, then Python store f equals to some number and list store 1 2 3. So inside the function we have some number and list inside the function. Summation equals to f list. This line confuses many beginners. Function, remember f, it contains some numbers, so Python replaces it. Summation equals to some number list. Since list equals to summation equals some number, yeah, the Python just to def some numbers equals to numbers, where numbers equals to yeah, so it execute returns some nums which 15. So now summation equals to 15. Next line return summation 15. This line result is some number think of it like, okay, Python said take the function some numbers and the list this inside f equals to some number, then execute the list which is some number which returns. So result equals to 15. Finally print result 15 complete flow. This is we are gonna jump to this. Result equals to high order function square print result 3. You can see from the words on the higher function is returning different function depending on the passed parameter. The function higher function type, if type equals to square cube absolute. What's that? Python closures. Python allow a nested function to access the outer scope of the enclosing function. This is known as the closure. Let us look at how closure work in Python. In Python, closure is created by nesting a function inside another encapsulating function, then returning the inner function. See the example below. Def add 10 equals to 0 on 8, 10 equals to 10. Def add number, add num, return num plus 10. Whatever we type it will return as plus 10. Return add, okay. Closure result equals to add 10. Print closure result 5 and 20 closure result 20, it will add 10 10. So this is for this video. In the next video we will learn Python decorators. Till then, tata bye.